Hi there, students. Kludge. Okay, kludge, a noun, a countable noun, and as a verb as well, to kludge. Notice, most normally the British spell this with a D, the Americans without the D. Okay, a kludge is a makeshift problem to a solution. Yeah, using the things at hand to make an effective solution, even though it's a temporary solution. So there was a problem with the software, and my friend programmed a kludge to make it work right now. Yeah, so a kludge is a temporary solution, something it's not particularly elegant, but it works. It's a little bit clumsy, and this word kludge is particularly used for computers and for computer programming. Okay, so a kludge, to cobble together something from whatever's available, and maybe it's not very smart. Maybe it doesn't work very well, but it does work. Yeah. I don't know. You could have hardware kludges as well. Things that are put together to just to make something work. Okay, so a kludge, particularly a computer system that's made up of badly matched things, the things they don't go well together, or things that were originally intended for other applications. Yeah. Then more generally, a clumsy or inelegant solution to a problem. So I think very often when students are speaking and they get into problems, that's where they try to put together some sort of kludge to get around the problem. Sometimes their kludges work and sometimes they don't. Okay, so a kludge for computers, an unsophisticated but fairly effective solution to a problem, particularly computer problems. Okay, so it's like you're just contriving a way to resolve the problem. Yeah. Constructing something that's crude but effective, or as well putting together various unrelated parts, or again a piece of badly written software that works, some sort of hack to make something work. I guess these life hacks that they suggest very often are kludges. Yeah. It's something that's going to solve your problem here and now. I think this word is fairly informal. I'd probably give it 3.5 informality. Using an informal conversation, using an informal email. You could probably use it in a semi-formal conversation as well, but in something more formal, probably not. Maybe just about in a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more. And then as to origin, there are various suggestions. It might come from British military slang, kludge or cluggy, a toilet, yeah, or maybe from the German word Kluge, clever, yeah, or even from Polish, I think, Kluge, a key or a hint. Yeah, there are many different suggestions. Notice effectively 3 spellings in total: the British Kludge, the American Kluge, but you could also spell it Cludge. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Kludge.